The legend says, after the Pentecost, Thomas preached the good news in Asia Minor. And the legend also says that he came to India. How he came to Kerala, by land route or sea route, we don't know. And at Chennai, Mylapore, the tomb which is there, believed to be of Thomas. Whether he came or not came, one can discuss. But surely, Christianity was in Kerala in the first century. Because if you go to Cochin, there is a small synagogue. And the Jewish settlers were there. The street is known Jewish street. Now all those Jews have gone back to Israel. Now only the local Jews are there. And the synagogue is still there. So the early Christians from Syria, some missionaries must have come and preached the good news in southern part of Kerala. And the people were converted. What is the speciality of the Kerala Christians? They have a deep-rooted faith in religion. They take pride in their religion. Of course, it was a very close community, mainly of Syro-Malabar and Syro-Malankara rites. After the Portuguese came, the Latin rite also spread to the northern part of Kerala, especially to Calicut and Kasaragod, all that area.